There have been pivotal moments in the development of technology that have altered the course of history, remade whole fields, and deepened our knowledge of society. Beneath the aegis of Facebook-turned meta platforms, virtual reality is entering an entirely novel phase. What they're discovering on their adventure has the power to completely change our world in ways we could never have imagined before. The metaverse is their pet idea, a long-held hope in fantasy and dystopian fiction. Meta's revolutionary claim is predicated on its concept of the metaverse. In this place, limitations of the physical world do not exist, and the range of outcomes is practically infinite. Within this virtual space, people are free from the limits of reality in all aspects of their social, occupational, recreational, and exploratory lives. Meta's ultimate goal is to build an interconnected and comprehensive digital universe that stretches the limits of current technology. Is virtual reality actually a thing according to you? Before we start today's video, we have got a little challenge for you. Can you tell us about any specific projects that have been announced as part of the collaboration between Meta and Microsoft? Do share your answers in the comments section, as we will give away $30 to one of the lucky participants with the right answer in every video. So, don't miss out on your chance to win. Now let's get started with today's video, where we are going to see how Meta has just blown everyone's minds. A strong tool for enhancing the beauty of AI-generated images. They presented their artificial intelligence-based image production application, which they call EMU. Since it can transform text into graphics that are extraordinarily accurate and artistically attractive, EMU is almost like a mystical instrument. EMU's quality adjustment method sets it apart from other models and considerably improves the aesthetic appeal of AI-generated photos. They displayed a variety of visuals that EMU made, such as a mystical cat in a vibrant jungle, a dinosaur chilling in a person's living room, palm leaves, and an astronaut swimming underwater. Even more fascinating is the fact each one of these pictures can be created in slightly fewer than 5 seconds. It is well known that consumers of social media sites swap countless stickers with one another monthly. Stickers provide users with a pleasant medium through which they can communicate and interact with themselves. The wonderful news is that EMU has been given a fresh update and is now participating in the virtual world of stickering. The latest edition of EMU includes the capacity to produce AI-based emoticons for use in major messaging programs such as Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and others. In the weeks ahead, Instagram will also grow even more intriguing. So that's not the only thing that will change. They are releasing an artificial intelligence-powered image editor for Instagram, which will make it much simpler for you to transform your photographs into works of art. With only a few mouse clicks, you can do things like add filters, tweak complexions, change haircuts, and much more. So, how exactly does it operate? There are 2 elements that are essential to understand, and they are restyle and backdrop. By using your own phrases and the function known as restyle, you can improve the overall artistic quality of your photographs. With the help of the backdrop feature, you can quickly alter the backdrop of an image or eliminate any items in it. Your images will begin to get an important boost thanks to some incredible new effects driven by artificial intelligence coming to Instagram, the specialized chatbot innovation. The company's most recent major innovation is known as Meta AI. It is pretty identical to ChatGPT, except it is supported by their Llama 2 method, and it has been developed to have casual chats with you about whatever you would like to talk about. In addition, it can generate artificial intelligence-created photographs from within the tool itself. This functionality will be incorporated into all of Meta's few chat applications. However, this is where things start to become really captivating. A wide variety of specialist chatbots are going to be made available by Meta. They have sought the assistance of well-known figures to lend their voices and looks to these chatbots, which have been programmed to engage in particular types of interactions. Just picture yourself having a conversation with a digital star. Even more awesome is that these chatbots will have their very own profiles on both Instagram and Facebook. It's an entirely different facet of the encounter altogether. For those still sitting, buckle up. The action will intensify. Not only do they currently offer specialist AI chatbots, but they are also focusing on an option that will enable you to design a custom chatbot tailored to your individual characteristics and preferences. They refer to it as AI Studio, which functions similarly to a piece of software in that it gives customers the ability to do this. In the not-too-distant future, you can create an artificial intelligence version of yourself that is capable of thinking, talking, and acting like you according to the data you input. When you have finished developing your AI avatar, it will likely take up residence in the metaverse. This will enable you to interact with other users, even when you are not physically there. The greatest aspect is that they are also working on an AI sandbox for people who need to gain the abilities necessary to code, but desire to teach their AIs in this manner. The goal here is to make artificial intelligence technologies available to everyone. Do you think these customized chatbots are going to be helpful in some way? Also, besides protecting your eyes from the sun, have you ever desired that your spectacles could do something else? If yes, then these Ray-Ban Meta glasses are for you. The Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. You have most likely been familiar with the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. These cool specs are the product of a partnership between Meta and Ray-Ban and are intended to improve the quality of your current world. You won't need to keep digging for your phone if you have these spectacles, because they allow you to remain linked to everything around you. They allow you to record memories and pass them on to your friends and others worldwide. Because this device has a built-in camera with a resolution of 12 megapixels, it is simple to record what you observe from your point of view. They also have high-quality speakers that play music straight into your ears, keeping anyone around you from being disturbed by the sound. These eyewear have just been upgraded to include AI features. You can finally put those days behind you when you had to fumble for a cell phone, type in your inquiries, and wait for responses. You only need to put your query into the glasses for them to present you with an answer. Furthermore, an upcoming software upgrade will make these spectacles even more adaptable by allowing them to interpret what you're gazing at and provide answers to your questions. These sunglasses will be available for purchase beginning October 17th, and you can order them right now for $299. Meta is revealing to us what the future holds for devices that can be worn. And who knows, maybe in a few years, they will have even more ambitious objectives for augmented reality spectacles. The Meta and Microsoft collaboration. Let's bring things to a close by discussing the Meta Quest 3. Compared to the Meta Quest 2 and the Meta Quest Pro, the pass-through mechanism found in this most recent iteration is the most notable improvement. It provides you with a clearer view of your actual environment, making it appear to be an even bigger part of your moment. Meta Quest 3 is even capable of recognizing the layout of your room, which paves the way for novel opportunities, such as watching Instagram Reels directly in front of your naked eyes and projecting videos and pictures onto the walls of your house. There were also interesting new Meta Quest 3 features announced at the conference. It's now the time to reveal the answer to the earlier asked question. So, as per the partnership, Meta is currently collaborating with Microsoft to deliver video games for Xbox and the Microsoft Office suite to the system. Great job to those of you who guessed it correctly. Remember, we do this for every video, so if you didn't win this time, don't worry. There will be more opportunities in the future. This partnership basically implies that Meta and Microsoft are working on various initiatives to keep up with industry titans, such as Google and Apple. Those of you who use Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp should get prepared for the addition of AI-generated photos and a variety of customized chatbots shortly. You won't have to go to a third-party site or shell out extra cash for a pro account to gain permission to use them. They will be integrated without disruption into the programs you presently utilize, making the transfer as painless as possible. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments section. Also, at last, give a like to this video. See you soon.